Hey, and welcome to the channel. I'm Daniel, and here with more practical gardening, DIY projects, and sustainable living. I'm here to meet you where you are and show you how to repurpose old items and junk from your garage or home to build creative infrastructure for growing food as simply and as easily as possible. And as a solar punk enthusiast, I don't believe anything is waste. Every piece has the potential to become something new, innovative, and productive. Because here, we don't just think outside the box, we build beyond the box. Welcome to Beyond the Box Gardens.
Uh-oh. Oh, this is the one over here. Let's see how it looks. Ooh, it's still there and it's growing. Yeah. What's this? Yeah. I literally just came back here. We were here yesterday. Spread out more. See if I can not step on anything here. Thank you. I figure out dinner tonight. Plenty of leftovers. Okay. Alright. Oops. Stepped on something here. Alright. Oh. What is this? That's not a tomato. Or not a potato. I really want to dig some of those, see if I can get a little harvest for tonight's dinner. Okay. Blitz it in there. They'll sell a little better. Hopefully that is. That's what to see. Okay. See what's under here. There's a lot of loons. Interesting. I'll dive back all the way up. All this crap. Potato or rock? That is a rock. I don't want to dig too far down to get them. There's something down in here. Yep, right there. I don't dig those yet though. Woo. What I want to do is I want to get over here in the red Pontiac. I'm sorry guys, I gotta get to see you because you guys may be poking out by now. Gotta see about you. Let's see what you're looking like. I haven't looked over here at all under these ones, so this is gonna be a surprise for me. Let's see what happens. They're deep. Guess the other one down at the end. the only one that was up at the surface. These ones are deep. Let's see what I can feel down here. Let's see what I can feel. Feel anything over here. Oh yeah, boy, it's right there. I want it. I'm gonna take it. Thank you. Beautiful. Thank you. Maybe I'll try one more over here. A little tester on this plant down here. Yeah, there's one right there. Up, he's small. Well, thank you. Okay. That's good to know. Got some smallies in there. Still pretty damp down in there too, so let me know I don't need to do too much water in today. Maybe I'll look way further over here. Could just turn around and see what I got underneath me too. I gotta get back up out of here. I want to go over there, but there's no room to move now. Okay, what we're gonna do, we're gonna step. Try not to crunch anything. Step back over here. Whew. Okay. Whoa. Let's see what we got under these are russet. Let's see what we got under here. These are deep. These are real deep. Soil's pretty soft though, that's good. We got one right here. I feel it. Doesn't feel too big though. Should let these guys size up. Man. Let's see. Oh, there's a bunch right here. There's a bunch right here. Look at that. Beautiful. Wow, there's a bunch. I think I might leave. I want one. There's two. Fuck. One. I heard it. Oh, that's a good size. It's kind of flat, but it's a good size. I'm still connected. Oh, that's a flatty. That's funny. That's a flatty. Let's see what we got in here. I don't check this spot at all. It's still pretty wet. Oh, that's one right here. He's right here. I'll grab him. Hey, decent little fingerling. Okay. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. Huh. Okay. Whew. Whew. See what we got over here. I don't think I can get over here no more. Shoot. Let's see. What's right here? This is still russet. These are still russet. What we got going on down here? Some of these look like new stalks. And one right in the top, little guy. He got some scab on him. I put a lot of sulfur and aluminum sulfate in this too. Still wasn't enough, apparently. Dig down a little bit. Dig a little down. Dig a little down. Oh man, it's deep. It's way over here. Small guy. I hope we have a good harvest. It can be Matt so far, but just finding a lot of smallies. It's a little concerning to me. Given these aren't even close to done, but I'm gonna have to adjust with some different nutrient. Maybe throw some bone meal across these guys. There's a hill right here I want to get. It's kind of misshapen. There we go, that's what I want. He's starting to grow tubers out of himself. This one is still connected, so we don't leave him down there. Let him keep growing. Let's see, what say you? Pretty good harvest. I can't help but to step on some of these guys now. They're all over. Just dropped a potato. Dang it. I keep dropping potatoes. Step it in the roll. Dang it. Oh, I sure did. Right there. I'll try to go for these top ones. That way that I don't accidentally get a green one. I can continue letting the deeper ones grow. That's a big potato. Holy mother of potatoes. Wow. Oh my God. Wow. Alright, I think that's enough. Huh? Jeez. Oh wow, okay. I'm gonna get these watered in. Oh, sorry guys. I had to get what was in there. Yeah, I'm sorry. That's on me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay. Corn is looking fantastic. Still got these guys. I've already sprayed for them cucumber beetles. Let's get back over there and see. What's up? What's it? Granddaddy long leg in that one. Oh no. This corn fell over. See if I can fix it. Nah. I'm not really worried too much. This is definitely corn. Try not to worry too much about this stuff. If I can, just put some dirt around it. See if I can get it to compact a little bit. There you go. Hey, bees. Maybe next week I might come back out and do another treatment of pyrethrin and neem oil in this corn. So I can still see that there are some cucumber beetles that are still fucking alive, like right there. Those cause rootworm on corn. You can see they're feeding. Those little holes are from the damage as well, from the cucumber beetles. Yeah, I gotta do another treatment. I'll get close so you can see it. They're a little bit skittish. So hopefully you can see that. So they're flying off. Bitches. All getting really big. Gorgeous. Take a second to admire. Alright, we'll turn this water off for the trench now. I'm hoping that this fence over the summer will be a lean-to for the corn. And I want to keep my trench. I don't want to fill the trench up in with dirt so I can mound, but I may have to. I don't know. Just don't want them to fall over. They're looking great though. They're looking really good. Okay. Take this off. Oh, I'm done. I'm about to go pick up those potatoes. Oh, bit my tongue. Ooh, a little bit much water there, but this ground usually soaks it right up. I'm wondering if that's going to play a part in my harvest, because the biggest one over here was right next to the trench over here. The smallest ones I was finding on the inside. Yeah, probably will. We'll see. We'll see. Okay. I'm gonna have to take this camera off for now.